Alright guys, we're back again and we're going to install that Ubiquiti access point that got burnt out in the last video. You saw that. So we're back to install the new access point. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch the process. Alright. Alright, is it working?
I'm already shopping.
Wow, look
Good
at that.
job.
Thank you. Alright guys, everything is working.